New York Apartment Law Insider presents Follow 4 Rules to Guard Against Race Discrimination Claims. Anti-discrimination laws, from the federal to city level, have protected against racial discrimination in housing for as long as they've been enacted. For much of the law's history, the majority of formal fair housing complaints have been based on race, and fair housing enforcement officials and fair housing advocates remain vigilant for racial discrimination in housing. Here are 4 rules to ensure compliance with fair housing law. Rule number 1. Keep race out of the leasing process. It's illegal to allow race to play any part in decisions about who may live in your building. Rule number 2. Focus on employee training. Putting solid, non-discriminatory policies down on paper is a good first step, but effective employee training will put them into action. Rule number 3. Prevent personal biases from derailing fair housing efforts. Even the best policies and training won't protect your building from fair housing problems if an employee's personal biases are allowed to spill into the leasing office or elsewhere in the building. Rule number 4. Make sure rules are fair and enforced fairly. In some fair housing cases, it's a claim of disparate treatment. That is, that the rules are being selectively enforced because of a resident's race or other protected characteristic. For more on topics that are important to apartment building owners and managers, including rent stabilization, rent control, building maintenance requirements, correction of code violations, and more, visit www.vendomerealestatemedia.com and click on New York Apartment Law Insider, where you can download a free issue instantly.